Many sponsorship requests are rejected, not because the event is bad, but because the proposal fails to clearly explain why the sponsor should get involved. Companies receive numerous requests for sponsorship throughout the year, and they need to see clear value before committing their resources. A strong sponsorship proposal. Letter should explain the event, demonstrate credibility, show how sponsorship funds will be used, and clearly highlight the benefits the sponsor will receive in return. A sponsorship proposal letter is a formal business letter used to request financial or material support for an event, program, project, or organization. It explains the purpose of the sponsorship, the impact of the event, and the benefits offered to the sponsoring organization. Today, we're going to break down a professional sponsorship proposal letter, step by step, so you understand exactly how to write one in a clear, persuasive, and professional way. Sender information. At the top of the document, we have the sender's full name, job title, organization name, address, email address, and phone number. This section helps establish credibility and allows the recipient to immediately identify who is sending the proposal. In sponsorship requests, professionalism is extremely important because organizations want to know they are working with a legitimate and organized group. Date. Next comes the date, which in this example is June 2nd, 2026. The date serves as an official record of when the proposal was submitted. Including the date helps maintain professionalism and proper documentation, recipient information. Next, we have the recipient's information, including their name, job title, company name, and business address. This section shows that the proposal is being directed to a specific decision-maker rather than being sent as a generic sponsorship request. Whenever possible, address your proposal to the appropriate person within the organization. Subject line. Next comes the subject line. Subject: Sponsorship Proposal for the 2026 Future Leaders Youth Conference. This is a strong subject line because it clearly identifies the purpose of the letter and the specific event being discussed. A clear subject line helps busy professionals understand the purpose of the proposal immediately. Salutation. Then we have the greeting. Dear Mr. Lawson, this is a professional and respectful salutation that is appropriate for formal business communication. Always use the recipient's proper title and last name whenever possible. Introduction and sponsorship request. Now let's move into the opening paragraph. This section immediately introduces the organization, the event, and the purpose of the letter. A strong opening is important because the recipient should quickly understand why they are being contacted. The paragraph says, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing on behalf of Future Leaders Foundation to invite Pinnacle Financial Services to become a sponsor of our upcoming 2026 Future Leaders Youth Conference, scheduled to take place on September 18th to 19th, 2026, in Atlanta, Georgia. This is an effective introduction because it clearly explains who is writing, what event is being discussed, and the purpose of the sponsorship request. Event overview and purpose. Next, the sender explains the event itself. This section is extremely important because sponsors need to understand what they are supporting and why the event matters. The paragraph reads, The Future Leaders Youth Conference is an annual event designed to empower high school and college students through leadership development, career exploration, entrepreneurship education, and professional networking opportunities. This year's conference is expected to attract more than 500 students, educators, community leaders, and business professionals from across the region. This paragraph works well because it explains the mission, audience, and expected impact of the event. Sponsors are often more interested when they can clearly see the value and reach of a program, why the sponsor was chosen. Now let's move into the next paragraph. One mistake many people make is sending the same sponsorship request to every company. Strong sponsorship proposals explain why a specific organization is a good fit. The paragraph says, As a respected organization committed to professional growth and community engagement, Pinnacle Financial Services would be an ideal partner for this event. We believe that your support would not only contribute to the success of the conference, but also demonstrate your organization's commitment to investing in the next generation of leaders. This section is effective because it connects the sponsor's values with the goals of the event. It shows that the sender has thoughtfully selected the organization rather than sending a generic request. Sponsorship needs and use of funds. Next comes the section explaining how sponsorship support will be used. This is one of the most important parts of the proposal because sponsors want transparency. They want to know exactly where their support will go. The paragraph reads, "We are seeking sponsorship support to help cover event expenses, including venue costs, educational materials, guest speakers, student scholarships, and networking activities." This statement is clear and specific. Whenever possible, explain how sponsorship funds will contribute directly to the success of the event. Sponsor benefits. Next comes the benefits section. This is often the section sponsors pay the most attention to because it explains what they will receive in return for their support. The proposal offers recognition as an official event sponsor, placement of your company logo on conference materials and promotional content, recognition during opening and closing ceremonies, opportunity to distribute promotional materials to attendees, complimentary exhibitor space at the conference, featured acknowledgement on our website and social media platforms. This section is strong because it clearly demonstrates value for the sponsor while maintaining a professional tone, flexibility, and sponsorship packages. Now let's move into the next paragraph. This section shows flexibility and willingness to work with the sponsor's specific goals. The paragraph says, "We would be happy to discuss sponsorship levels and customize a sponsorship package that aligns with your organization's marketing and community outreach objectives." This is important because every company has different budgets, marketing priorities, and community engagement goals. Flexibility often increases the likelihood of receiving a positive response. Mutual benefits and partnership value. Next, the sender explains the broader value of the partnership. A strong sponsorship proposal should emphasize that both organizations benefit from the collaboration. The paragraph reads, "We believe this partnership would create meaningful value for both organizations while helping students gain access to educational and professional development opportunities that can positively shape their futures." This paragraph works well because it highlights both business value and community impact. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section thanks the recipient for their time and encourages further discussion. The paragraph says, "Thank you for considering this sponsorship proposal. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss this partnership further and answer any questions you may have. I look forward to hearing from you soon." This creates a professional and respectful conclusion while encouraging future communication. Closing and signature. The letter ends professionally with, "Sincerely," followed by, "Olivia Grant, Event Coordinator, Future Leaders Foundation." Always include your full name, title, and organization name when sending sponsorship proposals. This helps strengthen credibility and professionalism. Before we finish, here are a few important reminders. A strong sponsorship proposal letter should clearly explain the event, the purpose of the sponsorship request, how sponsorship support will be used, and what benefits the sponsor will receive. Avoid vague requests and always be transparent about your needs. Also, make sure you personalize the proposal whenever possible. Sponsors are much more likely to respond positively when they see that the proposal was specifically prepared for their organization. Most importantly, focus on creating a partnership rather than simply asking for money. Successful sponsorship proposals show how both parties can benefit from working together, and that's how you write a professional sponsorship proposal letter, step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.